And today, AIA issues an official announcement saying, yes, AIA covers COVID-19 coverage in private hospital for nearly all their individual medical card holder.
Hello Malaysia, this is the Insurance Guys, and today we will discuss about COVID-19, medical card and private hospitals. The million-dollar question that nearly all my clients is asking me all week: my AIA medical card, can it covers COVID-19 in the private hospital or not? If you like what we are sharing, like us and subscribe us today. So my doctor's friends have given me an estimate how much it will cost to treat COVID-19 in a private hospital. So the estimated admission bills, not including treating other existing medical or surgical illness, just COVID alone, if you are category 1 or 2, meaning you have mild symptoms to no symptoms, it will be 7 to 14,000. If you are category 3 with mild to severe symptoms without ICU and without incubator, it will be about 7,000 to 21,000. If you're category 4, if you're in ICU, respiratory system, if you're on ventilation, and if you're in intensive care, your cost will be 70 to about 140,000. If you're category 5, means if you are in dialysis, if you're on cardiorespiratory machines, you have gastro problems, multiple issues come out from the complication of COVID, it will be 140 to 280,000 estimation costs.
Remember, if you don't have a medical card, apply now, because we heard from trustable sources that insurance company will postpone any ex-COVID patient for 6 months if he applies a medical card even after he is fully recovered. Means cannot buy medical card insurance for 6 months after infected by COVID.
We have been telling our friends and clients to be patient while we wait for the update press release from AIA. However, Liam, the Life Insurance Association of Malaysia, made a surprise announcement saying that due to COVID-19 is a pandemic and emergency ordinance announced recently, insurers cannot cover COVID-19 in a private hospital. What? Since then, we got more phone calls and WhatsApp asking for answers.
So now, in my experience and knowledge as an agent for nearly 20 years, a contract is a contract. Meaning the insurance company cannot just simply say, I don't cover lah, as they like. The reason Liam say cannot cover is because most of the insurance company has a clause that excludes pandemic. Now they can't calculate the risk and the premium involved in COVID-19 outbreak. So like that lah, huh? Now for AIA policies, ever since I started work selling the old hospital and surgical benefit policy in 1999 has no clause excluding pandemic, meaning we should cover COVID-19 by contract.
And today, AIA issues an official announcement saying, yes, AIA covers COVID-19 coverage in private hospital for nearly all their individual medical card holder. Individual medical card means you buy in your own name one, not a company group insurance, okay? There are two parts of this: individual medical insurance and group medical insurance policy. Let's focus on the bigger issue, individual medical insurance. These are the exact words from AIA.
We wish to inform you the newer generation of AIA's medical plans, however, do not have this exclusion clause. What this means to our customer of this plan is that they will be covered for hospitalization under their medical plan. If they are diagnosed with COVID-19 and require inpatient treatment, which is medically necessary at hospitals, this coverage is subject to the terms and conditions of the respective policy or certificates and plan. Our cashless facility will not be available for COVID-19 claims, so all approved claims will be paid on a reimbursed basis according to reasonable and customary charges. It means AIA covers COVID-19 in private hospital but cannot use cashless card lah. Must do file and claim, which is good enough. If you decided to go to government, then you will still get the earlier announcement coverage of 200 ringgit per day up to 30 days. And the death benefit is still 10,000 ringgit if their client pass away. this special coverage will cease on 31st March of 2021.
So, which newer medical insurance policy cover and which older one don't cover? Nearly all individual medical policy from 1995 to 2021's cover COVID-19. There are only 4 policies from the old ING era that doesn't cover COVID, which is ING MediPlus, Medical for Investment Link Takapu Salam, Medical for Investment Link Takapu Education, and Medical for Takapu Shami. Check your policies, but I don't think too many people had those policies.
What documents are required for reimbursement claim submission for COVID-19 hospitalization? The documents required are as follows: hospitalization claim form for individuals, original hospital invoice, itemized bill, and payment receipt. All imaging and laboratory reports such as X-ray and blood test results. Any supporting documents from any ministry of health medically trained personnel or officer referring you to the private hospital, and the name and contact details of any Ministry of Health personnel attending to you. So for home quarantine, sorry lah, tak cover. Home quarantine, cover yourself lah ya.
So that's it. Our short report on COVID coverage from AIA, the best insurance company. Yeah! Now remember, if you don't have a medical card, apply now, because we heard from trustable sources that insurance company will postpone any ex-COVID patient for 6 months if he applies a medical card even after he is recovered. Meaning, you cannot buy a medical card for 6 months after you are infected with COVID. So call us today if you need any help to see whether your medical insurance covers COVID or not in private hospitals, or if you just need a new medical card. Call Alif, or you can call Moses. Below is their phone call for inquiries. They are both good agents, superb and wonderfully serving all their clients. We are the Insurance Guys. See you next episode.
Bye.